Which HP Scanjet N parts can be replaced by the user? Select 3. Option A. ADF pickup roller and separation pad. Option B. Scanner control panel. Option C. ADF optics module. Option D. ADF base reflector. Option E. The imprinter cartridge. Option F. System power supply. The correct answer is option A, E, F. Which HP Scanjet NVM data should be downloaded prior to the first customer site visit? Option A. Replacement unit NVM data. Option B. ADF controller PC account data. Option C. Defective unit NVM data. Option D. ADF height alignment calibration values. The correct answer is option D. Which HP Scanjet N sensors are replaceable? Select 3. Option A. Upper multi-pick detect. Option B. ADF open. Option C. ADF scan position. Option D. Flatbed motor tension. Option E. Paper present. Option F. Scanner NVM overheat. The correct answer is option B, C, E. Which steps are involved in replacing the automatic document feeder on the HP Scanjet N? Select 3. Option A. Remove the system power supply. Option B. Align ADF to flatbed. Option C. Remove the flatbed scanner glass. Option D. Adjust ADF height. Option E. Perform ADF alignment with the N9120 service tool. Option F. Remove the ADF hinge wedges. The correct answer is option C, E, F.